Titingin po ako ng halaman. Wow, ito po yung lemon, oh. Wow. Wow. Tignan niyo po yung lemon, oh. Lemon. Ito po ang mga halaman. Titingin po ako ng halaman. Good morning.
Good morning.
Wow, look at the cactus, oh. Wow, ang ganda ng mga cactus. Very colorful. Look po, tignan niyo yung cactus, oh. Wow. Wow, amazing. Brother, this one how much? Snake plant. 25? No tawad? Ah, no tawad, brother. Brother, this one how much?
25.
Last price, kuya.
Last price.
Parang bagong lagay lang eh, oh.
Pero maganda siya. Ilan ba bibili mo? 2, 4, 6, 8?
Ha?
8 pieces?
8 pieces.
How many pieces you need?
Diba? Yan po ang aming madam. Madam Baby Linda.
How many pieces you need? Same.
See?
This one, kuya. Like
This
that, how
one,
much?
oh. This one
Oh my
nice.
God.
हाँ उसको
Brother, this one.
this one 25.
Yan, mas okay yan, tibi. Parang old.
Can I see? Huwag kayo hahawak. Makakatinig yan. Ako nga natinig lang. This one, the black, the black pot.
Yeah.
Yan.
You see this one is growing new.
This is new.
Yeah.
This is nice.
Nice.
Maganda.
Maganda. 20 dirham.
25 pare.
Oh my God, how can I come back here if you're not giving me discount, kuya?
20 my
Shwada?
cost. Really 20 my cost. I selling 35 30.
20?
25.
What kind of plant is this? Ah! That is also snake plant. Snake plant daw po ito. Look, oh, kakaiba po itsura niya, oh. Snake plant.
Yes, Sonali.
Ito po yung money plant. Yan, money plant. Sa Abu Dhabi po, swerte sa kanila yan. Pag naglagay ka ng money plant sa office nila, iniisip nila maraming papasok na pera. Kaya po sa mga offices dito sa Abu Dhabi, naglalagay ng money plant. Yan po yung cactus, oh. Ang ganda, oh. Ito po, oh. Say hello. Hello to my viewers.
Hello.
Gwapo, no? Ayan po. My husband. Papasok po tayo sa nursery. Tignan nyo po, oh. Wow, ang ganda. Yan, nursery po, oh. Yan po ang mga plants dito.
Excuse me.
Hello. Oh, kita niyo po yung mga halaman.
सही है 5 months सही है.
Yan. Mga halaman po, oh. Ang gaganda, oh.
So maganda.
Ang ganda. How much the money plant?
This one 60 dirham.
OMG, it's
Where's the money
expensive.
No expensive. This
Sa
one
Pilipinas,
money
ang tawag dyan sa Pilipinas, Celia, oo. 60. Ah, you have more here.
Yeah.
Ah, this is more.
This one 30 dirham.
How much is that?
30.
40?
30.
30?
Yeah.
Not 25?
No, this one is big, no?
Give me 25.
No coming, and this one is big. 25 cost.
I'm not
Para
local.
Discount.
You know
right?
what? If we are local, you can price more.
Yeah.
But we are Filipino. No pulus too much.
I know.
Yeah.
Only for local. Wow.
Buti pa ang mga halaman na careful.
Nice.
Ito orchids, no?
Ganda.